Hey guys, this is Sydney over here at Hannah RV in Baird, Texas, and today we're going to be looking at my new 2026 Jayco Jay Feather 27 MK. Let's check it out. So I am in the kitchen area right now, so we obviously have an island and we have an upgraded sink feature this year. So we've got a cup washer, soap dispenser, pull down knob. It is a stainless steel sink, which is a plus, and it is a full farmhouse sink as well. Hard top countertops, tons of storage, guys. And again, Jayco uses all real wood. So this is plywood, this isn't OSB, real wood. So you've got a ton of storage. Under sink storage here, huge. I mean, so much here. Again, lots of counter space. If you do a lot of cooking, this camper is going to be a really, really good option in terms of not only is this your TV and it'll actually pop up with a switch right here, but if you're not entertaining and you're cooking, you can lower the TV down. Give it a second. And then you have complete counter space to prep food, to serve to a large crowd for a family. I always recommend to customers, if you have a large family, you're cooking, make this your buffet area. You can lay out plates, food, bowls, all the things, and just make it a little bit easier, accessible. They're not in the way. They can leave out the door. Not only do you have that, but you have all of this space back here too. So again, prep space. It also doubles as storage, and you have a little bench here that pulls out with some storage inside of it. And if you do any kind of remote work, you can actually use this for your office space. You can do pens, paper, a laptop down here for extra storage so it's not in the way. You can put it away. And then you do have a charging station here as well. So you can be sitting here doing your laptop work. You can even bring a modem or a computer or something like that and put it out here. And if you do work from home and say you're at a really pretty campsite looking over the water, you can do your work and have a really nice view in the back here. So again, tons of storage, tons of counter space, tons of prep space in this camper. You do have the upgraded larger 12-volt refrigerator. This is the 11 cubic foot Envision. So we have the 12-volt refrigerator here. The top half is the refrigerator, and because it is the 12-volt, you have, complete full open space. And then the bottom half is your freezer. So this is something new that a lot of people complained about the other fridges because they pulled out this way and it was just a deep freeze, so they couldn't access a lot of their freezer foods. With this one, it opens up and you actually have rack space, so you can put stuff in there and it's easily accessible. So coming through the kitchen, TV space here, radio, and you have your electric fireplace. So if you want to kick back, turn this on. It's pretty cold today, and I just turned this thing on and I can already feel the heat. So that's a really nice feature to have, especially if you don't want to run your furnace. You do have the fireplace option as well. And because this one is more of a couple's coach, you do have an extra sleeping space here with the dinette. It will drop down into a bed, but if you're not sleeping anybody additional besides you and your spouse, you have the recliners. So this is more of a luxury comfortability unit. So you can kick back, relax, watch some TV, be warm from the fireplace, do your work in the corner. And then you do have this little handy dandy mirror, so if you're getting ready in the morning or something like that, you do have that as an option. So moving down in the hallway, we have our pretty large bathroom. I always like to point out that this is a porcelain toilet, not plastic. That's something that Jayco doesn't spare any money with. And then the shower, I am 5'9", so I do have plenty of space to stand in here. So for my tall people, I know showers are an issue with RVs. With this one, I think you'll have plenty of space. Stepping out, we'll close this. Coming into the master bedroom. So this is something huge that Jayco did. Look at the space in the bedroom. This isn't a bed slide. So normally with a bedroom that doesn't have a bed slide, you're very limited to your walk around space. With this space, you literally have easily 2 to 3 feet of walking space all the way around. You have storage on both sides, charging ports on both sides. You have overhead storage, and then you do have a full closet back here. So you have hanging space, drawers, all that good stuff. You also have a space here to mount a TV, and then you have the underbed storage as well. So tons of storage in this unit, guys. It's got 2 AC units on it. It's got solar already roof mounted on board. So you're equipped with a lot of really good stuff in this camper as far as accessories that you're not going to be having to buy after the fact. So, but yeah, this is my brand new 2026 Jayco Jay Feather 27NK. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you love this camper. So come out to Baird, Texas. See me. My name is Sydney, and check it out.